Hi there, John here, Scottish Entrepreneur. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get copyrighted images onto Amazon Merch. That's right, there's a workaround to get copyrighted material onto your t-shirt designs. So this is what I'm going to quickly show you. You can just go into Google, type in any kind of images of people or whatever, and you can use that to put on your t-shirt. I'll show you exactly how. For this example I'm going to show you President Trump. Don't know if you're a fan. Now this is put up with Fox News, so we can assume that it's subject to copyright. There's a way I can use this picture and put it onto one of my t-shirts. I'll show you exactly how. So basically we're going to download this. I've already done it, so don't need to do it again. Get whatever software it is you use. I use Inkscape. I prefer Inkscape. I've been using it for years, so I know how to work it. I've not really dabbled in Photoshop or Illustrator, but I can assume they kind of work the same. So we're going to get our image that's been downloaded, copy the image onto the software, and what we're going to do is we're going to right click and trace the bitmap. I can assume that Illustrator would be the exact same, maybe just a bit of a different layout, but you'll know how to do this if you use Illustrator. I'm going to remove the background, and we're going to make sure its brightness cut off. Okay, there's our image, our copyrighted image. Just going to use a fill, 2 wee seconds, bear with me. Fill it as black. This is just to make sure that when it's on the t-shirt it comes up the way it should. I'm going to drag a black square rectangle, it doesn't matter as long as it's filling the image. And I'm going to put that in the background, and then we're going to highlight both items, go to object, and then we're going to clip it, clip set. Now I think it's clip and mask in Illustrator. Here we go. We now have our uncopyrighted image. So you're going to put the height and width to the proper dimensions, 4500 by 5400. And then you can add text, so don't know, let's say re-elect Trump or dump Trump, whatever your preference. We'll just go with dump Trump. This isn't a hint or indicator. I'm actually from Scotland, so I don't really care, to be fair. Just to give you a small example. Okay, that didn't come up with it. Or it's just too small, I can't see it. So, there we go. So the dimensions here doesn't really actually matter, because it looks a bit thin there. There we go. We have our very quick, very easy, uncopyrighted t-shirt design. I'm going to grab the square, I'm going to drag that, put it in the background, and with a fill, nothing, stroke, nothing. And then we're going to bring it in a little bit. So this is basically the dimensions here of your t-shirt. So this is what you need to make sure is the 450 by 540. Select them all, Control G or group, whatever way you prefer to do it. And we get our dimensions here. 440, 450 or 4500 by 5,400. There we have it. Click on drawn, make sure you have the drawn part, and make sure it says that same here, 5,400. It'll automatically go. Export the image, export, and that's it. It's as simple as that. You will be able to upload that onto your Amazon Merch and not have any issue with it. You can do this with pretty much any image, as long as you make it, you trace a bitmap, it'll make it black and white. You can do it with pretty much anything. It might not be the exact same picture, but on a t-shirt it would look so much better. This would be ideal on a white t-shirt. You can invert the image and make it, put it on a black t-shirt or dark t-shirts. So hopefully you've learnt something today, and I'll keep posting videos if you give me some likes. Thank you.